The Mayor of Makeni, Abubakarr Kamara, has called on the Sierra Leone Police (SLP) to strengthen its operation system following the theft of several closed-circuit television (CCTV) cameras that had been installed to improve security in the city. Mayor Kamara described the incident as both disappointing and alarming, noting that the stolen devices has been strategically placed to monitor crime-prone areas. He argued that the theft highlighted serious gaps in planning and protection. The police should have first ensured that a strong operational framework was in place to safeguard and monitor these cameras, Mayor Kamara said. Without that, the risk of tampering or theft was always present. This setback must be a lesson for us to reinforce security measures moving forward. Despite the loss, the mayor reassured residents that Makeni continues to maintain a relatively low crime rate compared to other urban centers. He stressed, however, that the city cannot afford complacency in its approach to public safety. Kamara encouraged residents to play an active role in community policing by reporting suspicious activities. Security is a collective responsibility. We need every citizen to remain vigilant and work with authorities. Together, we can identify gaps and protect our city, he urged. The theft has sparked broader discussion about the effectiveness of surveillance-based crime prevention in Sierra Leone. While Freetown has recorded incidents of vandalism and tampering with CCTV system, Makeni's case has raised eyebrows given the city's reputation for peace and stability. Security experts point out that technology alone cannot guarantee safety. They emphasize that CCTV system must be supported by strong institutional oversight, quick response mechanism, and community involvement. Without these, they warn such investment risks becoming ineffective or counterproductive. Local police records shows that crime in Makeni remain lately limited to petty theft and minor disputes, with no recent surge in violent crime. However, authorities acknowledge the need to restore public confidence in the city's surveillance system and ensure that further installations are better secure. Residents have expressed mixed feelings about the incident. Some view it as evidence of weak planning by authorities, while others dismiss it as an isolated case that should not overshadow Makeni's progress in maintaining peace. For Mayor Kamara, the priority now is to strengthen collaboration between the council, the people, and community stakeholders to replace the stolen cameras and build stronger safeguards against tampering. He reaffirmed his administration's commitment to modernizing crime prevention in the city, stressing that lessons from this episode will shape future security initiatives. Reporting for Sierra Leone TV, I am Valentine Benjamin Conte.